5:30, you can start.
Okay. Yeah, good evening to all of you. Okay, so today we'll try to see more things. Okay, the first one is that I want to say that, so I'm talking about in India only, right? So some statements I'm making, so automatically may not write in India, okay? That you can understand. So I'm making a statement as is that, so this village has a school, okay? This village has a school, okay? Yeah, so I think it is clear. So I took a particular village, I know, right? So I'm talking about that. Okay. Yeah. So what is the negation of this statement? Somebody can tell me. What is the negation of the statement? Yeah. Can you quick guess? Be quick. This village has a school, right?
This village has not a school.
No, do not tell the answer, right? We already told you. See, it is very serious. Okay. So you tell the answer when we ask you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Just yeah, good. So someone from room number 1.
Mohan. Shivani.
Hello. The answer would be this village does not have a school.
I'm not audible. It is not audible to me.
I'm saying this village does not have a school.
Okay, this village does not have a school. Yeah. This village does not have a school. Good, nice. Okay. So only one school, then there is no quantifiers, nothing. So easy to negate. So the property is that village has a school is a property of a village. So that is not true means does not have a school, right? Okay. Now, so I'm just changing now. So now my statement is this. Every village in this in India, every village in India has a school. Okay, every village in India has a school, right? Yeah. So somebody want to comment? So you want to? Every village in India has a school. Okay. Yeah. So you can tick yes, but what is that happening is that look at this statement and this statement. Here there is only one village, right? Negation is very simple, but here, so there are. So all villages in India I'm talking about, not just one village, right? Okay, and property is same, has a school. Okay. Okay, so now in this case, what is that we need to do? We need to talk about what? Somebody can comment. Those who ticked, can you call one person? Jyoti.
Arpit.
We will find a single village which doesn't have a school.
No, I'm not asking. Okay, negation you are telling. Wonderful, good. You are telling about negation. That will, yeah. So what is the negation you told?
There exists a village in India
There is
which
a
doesn't have a
good,
school.
good, yeah, good, nice. Okay, there is a village. Okay, that does not have a school. Okay, yeah, you are correct. Actually, I'm not told properly. So you are thinking of negation and you told correctly. Okay, every village has a school. Meaning what? I take any village that has a school. That is not true means. So there is a village that does not have a school. Okay, yeah, correct. That does not have a school. Right. Good. Nice. Okay. And what is the meaning of this? This meaning is that at least one village is there which is does not have a school, then negation is true, right? But there may be two villages also does not have a school, three villages or many villages, even every village does not have a school, right? Yeah. So there is a meaning that at least one. This statement is true. At least one village is does not have a school, right? Okay. Now I'm asking you to pick. So in the first statement, how do you write in the mathematical version, right? So to write in a mathematical version, right? So what are the things we need to ask? What are the things we'll ask? To write a mathematical version, what are the things we need to ask? We need to ask 3 questions. What are those 3 questions? Somebody can recall? In the last class we done that. What are the 3 questions we need to ask? Yeah, someone from room number 2.
Jasmine.
So we need a group, a set of
Set, right?
villages
Yeah.
in India
Yeah, set.
and
Oh,
of property.
go slowly, go slowly. Yeah, okay, one. So set is one thing you read. Yes. What is the set you are saying? Please go ahead.
Set of villages in India.
Set of villages, right? Okay, good, nice. Okay. So set of villages, how do I denote that set? Can you give some notation to that?
I,
Which way?
we.
V. Okay. It is better to say V. Yeah. You are also saying V maybe. Yeah. V is set of villages. Set of villages. Good. Nice. Okay. First set. What next? Please go
Then
ahead.
we need a property
Property.
that
What is a property? What is a property here?
that a village has a school.
As a school. As a school is a property. Okay. What is the next question?
Quantifier
Quantifier. Okay. Yes. What is a quantifier in this case?
for all.
For all. Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Now I'm clearing all of you. Very good. Nice. Okay. I hope all of you know this answer. Not only her. So whenever every village in India has a school, so to write mathematical version, we need to ask 3 questions to ourselves. First is that set of what is the set involved, what is a property, and what is a quantifier, right? Now I'm asking you, one of you can tell its mathematical version now. How do you write this mathematical version? Be quick, fast. How do you write mathematical version? So I want to write every village in India has a school. Okay. So by using V, set V, property and quantifier, I want to write it. Right. Yeah. How do I write it? What happened? Why very less number of students are responding? You are not revised or what? How do I write now this, right? Mathematically. That's the question we are asking. Room number 3.
Jaslene.
Jaslene, go ahead.
X is the village, then we write for all X belongs to V.
1 minute.
In
1 minute.
bracket.
So, small v belongs to capital V. But how do you
In
read it? But how do you
For
read
all,
it?
for
all
all
nine,
small
given any. No. Wait. So better read it as given any village in V. Okay. Given any V in V.
V has school.
V has a school. Wonderful. Okay. V has a school. Okay. Good. V has a school. Good. Nice. Okay. Yeah.
Satya, just 1
Yeah.
minute. See, when we are asking a question, if you have yes, answer yes, tick, you have to click on the tick mark. If you do not know, then tick cross. Everyone has to respond. Okay, this is, now we are moving to the second day. If you are still, for yesterday, I didn't really force. Now, I am going to force you to respond. Unless I get response, I'm not going to, we are not going to go ahead. Okay, so you are not going to learn anything. It
Yeah.
is your responsibility to respond. You can be wrong. You have all your rights to be wrong. It's your birthright to be wrong. Okay, so you don't worry about whether you are wrong or right, but you have to respond. So please respond. From the next, in the next question, I need to see tick or cross on everyone. Okay,
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
clearing all feedback. Is it clear what I said? If it is clear, put a tick. If it is not clear, put a cross.
Why this is also you are clicking slow? Be
Again,
quick.
if it is not clear, you are allowed to put a cross, but you need to do tick or cross. Astha Jain, are you?
No, she's a mentor.
Oh, she's a mentor. Oh, then please put M. Okay, I was not sure about it. Okay. I was just looking. Pranjal Yadav, Jatin Jagarwal, are you? Is it not clear to you? Pranjal, Jatin? You are not responding. Why are you not responding? Krishnakant, Ruhani, Palak, Nancy Goyal. Is it not clear to you? Do you have something to say, Nancy? Unmute and say.
By mistake, you pressed the raise hand, Nancy.
You have raised hand. Yeah.
Raise hand meaning that you have a question, right? You have a doubt.
No, sir, I am clear all this.
So please tick yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. Still see many people are not
Yeah.
ticked as. Okay. Yeah. That
Still
is not.
there are.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
not
So
good.
we'll move.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See. So every village in India has a school, right? So that we written like that, right? Given any V in V has a school, right? Somebody can point out every village in India has a school. Can somebody tell me in a different way in English itself? Is anyone has any idea? Every village in India has a school in English itself. Do you have some other way to tell this? In English, just I'm asking. Yeah, Ushmita?
Yes.
Ushmita Kapoor. Yeah,
Yes,
tell.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, all the villages in India have
Right.
a
Good.
school.
Yeah. All villages, right? All villages in India has a school. All villages in India has a school. Okay. Yeah. Is there any other way? Now another question. So I will ask other person. Vidyavan, do you have any other way?
Sorry. Each village in India has a school.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Each village in India has
each
a school.
village. Yes. Okay. Each village, right? Yeah. I hope you are all clear. Okay. So one can write each village or every village or all villages, right? But generally we will use every village because we are using for all, right? Okay. That is the just one can write in any manner, but in mathematics generally we'll confine to every. Okay. Right? Yeah. Okay. Similarly, okay. So now onwards it is clear to you, right? We'll write like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now get back to this one. Negation. There is a village in that does not have a school, right? So how do you write by using what is a mathematical version for it? Somebody can tick yes if you are able to tell. Okay. Payal Kumari. Payal.
There exists B belongs to B.
No, that is okay. What is the set?
V
Now first
doesn't
tell
have
no
a
no.
school.
But before that, tell me what is the set? What is a property? What is a quantifier? Yeah, first tell me that.
V is a set of
V is the set.
villages in India,
Uh-huh.
and property
Okay.
is village.
Properties does not have a school, right?
Doesn't have a school.
Okay. What is a quantifier?
Quantifier is there exist.
There exist. Good. Okay. So is there any where is the changes happening? File. Set में कोई change है?
No, sir.
No change. कहाँ change है? आप बता सकते
Property
हो?
और quantifier में.
Property और quantifier. Quantifier हो गया there exist. Okay. There exists a small v belongs to v. Here also we write that later we read it as one can find a village, small v village in v, such that Yeah. What is that I have to write, Pile, here?
We doesn't have.
We does not have a
We,
school.
we doesn't have a school.
Yeah, good, nice. We does not have a school. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. So you understand that how to write these things. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now I'll go to the next question. So is there any question to anyone? Is there any question to anyone? Okay, good, nice. Somebody raised hand. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, in this, if we consider the set villages which does not have school, then can't we write as for given V belongs to V and V doesn't have a school in bracket?
No, no, no. See, that's what. Try to understand. So what is the meaning that every village in India has a school, right? When the statement is true, every village in India has a school. When it is true, whatever village I take, that village has a school, right? When it will become false, when the statement false, tell me.
But if any one of the village doesn't have a school.
One of the village is sufficient, na? So you are saying that
Yes.
you are asking that every village does not have a school, right? That is not required. That is part of the answer. That is what I'm saying. There is a village, meaning that one village, two villages, all villages also. It includes everything. Okay. So I will ask one more question to you, right? That may help you. So this may help you. So look at this. There is a student in this. There is a student in this class. There is a student in this class who is human being. Who is human being? Is it true?
Yes,
Is
sir,
it true statement?
true for everyone.
No, but is it a true statement? Right. That is what I'm asking.
Yes.
How do you check whether
Yes.
it is a true or not? When it so, for example, I will ask you: are you a human being?
Yes, sir.
Once you are a human being, I need to check other people. What is the question? There is a student in this class who is a human being, right? So when this is going to be true, at least one student is human being, I'm done. I no need to check everyone. Are you following that?
Okay. Sir,
Yeah,
it
this is
means for there is we need to check only one, and
yeah,
for
right.
all we
Yeah,
need to check everyone.
everyone. Yeah. So there is a true only at least one person. If there is a one person is true, then I'm done. Okay. If two
Yes.
people are there, four people are there, I will not care about. But every village as a school means I have to check each and every village. That is tougher. Okay, that is tougher because I had to check
Yes.
each and every village. Okay, ask more questions. For example, in the discussion session, so look at this. Every page in this notebook, every page in this notebook is blank. Okay, so when it is true, when it is not true, what is the negation? Work it out. Okay, yeah. So I'm clearing and we are moving forward. Thanks for asking that question. Yeah. So not only you, many people have this question, but they are not asking. Right? We'll appreciate whenever you ask. That is good. It is not only you. You clarify doubt for many other students also. Right? Yeah. Okay. Now get back to this problem. So first I started with this village as a school, right? Next I told that every village in India has a school, right? Now I'll a little changing that. Okay. Now look at my statement. So look at my statement. Okay. I'm making another statement. My statement S is that so there is a district. There is a district. Okay. In India, I no need to write. I hope you understand. There is a district in which every village has a school. Has a school. Okay. So is the question clear? Hai? There is a district in which every village has a school. Hope it is very easy, right? You can understand. So can you tick yes if it is clear? The statement is clear to you. There is a district in which every village has a school. Good, nice. Okay.
More response
So
needed.
yeah,
Only
45
45.
only. I need
No. What are the others doing? Is it not clear? If it's not clear, tick cross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
What
is
is
okay.
not
If it is
clear,
not clear,
Sandeep?
it is okay. Yeah.
What is not clear, Sandeep? Can you please unmute and say?
Sir, repeat again.
Repeat again. I mean, what is not clear? Can you please say? I mean, he has written the statement. There is a district in which every village has a school. So,
Sir, repeat again. Repeating statement.
no, repeat. I just repeated the statement. So there is a district in which every village has a school. So what is not clear in this one? So
आपको समझ में आ गया? स्टेटमेंट समझ में आ गया नहीं?
Yes, sir.
एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, उस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हर विलेज में स्कूल है, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, good. Okay, so I'm clearing all of you. So here, what is the set here? Now, somebody can tell me what is there is a district in which every village has a school. Somebody can comment what is the set here? Yeah, some sort of ambiguity may be there, right? Yeah. Ashpreet Kaur, room number 6.
The villages of a district.
Okay. Okay, I will ask other person. Okay, this is you told something, that is okay. Good, nice. Ashika, room number 5. Ashika Gupta. Okay, Ashika Gupta. Yushika Gupta. Sorry, I'm sorry.
So the
Very
set is districts, all districts.
all district. Okay, so one is that. Okay, so first district से कैसे लिखेंगे देखते हैं, right? Okay, so what is the set notation I will take? Huh? Yeah, Yushika. D. Okay, D. D is a set of district, right?
Yes, sir.
Set of districts. Okay, good, nice. Okay, so what is the property now? So this is the property of a district. Okay, what is the property
Yes.
of that district?
That every village in that district has a school.
Wonderful, wonderful. In that district, every village, entire thing is a property. Every village in that district has a school. Entire thing is a property. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah. So property is that every village in a D has a school. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah. What is a quantifier?
There exists. There is.
There exists. Wonderful. Okay, good. Now, can you tell me that entire statement now in mathematical version? बता सकते हो?
There exists.
Hmm.
X belongs to D.
Okay. Now I'll take small d belongs to D, right?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Inside bracket.
Huh.
Every village in ev-
Every
every village in
village.
D has a
Where
school.
which D? Which D?
Small d.
Very good. Why small d? Can you tell me?
Because that is the element we are taking. One district.
Yeah, one district. Wonderful. D set of all districts. D is
Yes.
not district. D is a set of. D is a set. It contains all districts. In that you took one district. Okay. Every village in D has a school. Is it clear to all of you? Can you tick yes? Yeah. Good. Nice. Is it clear to all of you? Tick yes. If it is clear to you. Okay. If it is not clear, tick no. That's what Sari is saying, right? Yeah. No problem. If it is not clear, that's okay. You can discuss with now itself, or you can discuss in the discussion session with your friends, right? Yeah. Sargun, what is the problem? बताओ कुछ भी चलेगा आपके I'm unable to listen to you actually. Your voice is very low.
It's breaking as well, like I think.
Okay. Okay. I'll repeat once. Okay, what she told is that there is a district means there exists a small d belongs to capital D. D is a district in set of districts. Capital D is set of districts. It contains district 1, district 2 like that, right? In for example, you are from Rajasthan, you know districts, right? We'll take particular district D. Every village in D has a school. That's what we written. Okay, yeah. So I'm clearing all of you. So if those who are not clear, you can again discuss with your friends, right? Yeah, we'll move forward. Okay. Now you look at here. Now look at here. So as earlier one person told, right? Now you look at the beauty here. Inside bracket, we have another statement, right? Every village in D has a school. Every village in D has a school. Okay. Now how do you write this part? Okay. Now again I need to ask 3 questions for this one. Again, I need to ask 3 questions. What is the set? What is the property? And what is the quantifier? Correct? Is anyone want to tell what is the set here? Now, I do not care about this part. Okay. I already took some district. I came inside now. I'm not now I'm talking about that district D only, right? Now I'm here. Every village in D has a school. Okay. Now I'm talking about small d only. Yeah. Sudhanshu Poddar.
Yes, sir, we can took the set as the capital VD, like the set of villages in that particular district we selected.
You are saying like this?
Subscript. Yeah, sir.
Why you told like this? Yeah, why you are telling D
Sir,
also? What is the reason?
sir, because we need to mention the district that we are considering for the villages.
Okay. You are saying that villages from this district D. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. Is it all of you clear? He is very, very careful, right? He's okay. I am clearing all of you. It's okay. So no, do not tick now. Do not tick. Wait. This is very, very crucial. Do not tick. Okay. Do not tick, please. Do not tick. Anamika, do not tick. It is very crucial. See, he does not take capital V, right? Simply capital V set of villages. He do not took like that. He took VD because district changes, villages changes. Okay. So that's why he is very, very careful. Sudhanshu took VD. Now, can you tick? Is it clear to all of you? Now tick. If it is clear to you. Okay, good. Okay, so we'll move. So that is VD. VD is set is the VD. And what is the property, Sudhanshu?
That it has a school. Like
As a school.
village
Okay.
has a school.
Very, yeah, good. What is the quantifier?
Sir, for all.
For all.
Given any.
Can you tell me here what is that I have to write now?
Sir, given any
Given
village.
any. What is that I have to write here?
That small
Small
v
v.
we can choose.
Very good. Yeah. So all of you look at that. Sudhanshu, carefully listen him. So given any, he also see that he told that given any. You understand? He is listening carefully what I am saying, right? Given any small v belongs to capital VD.
Capital VD.
Yeah. What is that?
Has a school, the property.
Which one has a school? Now
V
you took a
has
village.
school. The V that we choose.
V has a school. Yeah, good.
The
Nice.
lil.
Yeah. One more bracket I have to put, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. The closing parenthesis.
Yes, good. Nice. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. Now we have 2 sets and 2 quantifiers. How many of you understand this? Can you tick yes? 2 sets and 2 quantifiers, right? Sorry. Okay, still see, you need to respond little faster. For example, Reenu, you are not ticked. Don't worry about. Tick yes or no, will not ask. Don't worry about. Okay. We'll ask you that what is the difficulty you are facing only, right? So आप हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो. कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हिंदी में बताओ कोई दिक्कत होती तो. Okay, good. Okay, so now it is clear that, okay, yeah. So now what is the negation of this? Now think about, all of you think about, there is a district in which every village has a school. First think about carefully, do not answer immediately, okay, take 10 seconds time. Okay, so this is false means what? Okay, I am telling that there is a district, okay, there is a district in which every school has a school. This is wrong meaning what? Okay, this is wrong meaning what? So there is a district means there is a district in India that is there. Okay, please try to understand. The set of districts in India. Okay, that is not written, but hope you understand, right? Yeah, I'm not writing that I told in the beginning. So I'm talking about in India, right? Yeah, in India. Okay, all these examples. Okay, so set of districts in India. Okay, there is a district in which every village has a school. What is its negation, right? Yeah, somebody raised hand. Who is that?
Om.
Om. Yeah, Om.
Sir, I want to ask that what is VD denoting there?
VD. Okay. VD, Sudhanshu, I think Sudhanshu it seems. Yeah, Sudhanshu told that VD is set of villages in the district D. D, small d is the district. Okay. See, D is set of districts. And what is this set contains? So, for example, G3 is set of students, right? If I take an element in G3, that is a student, right? Now D is capital D set of districts. So I take an element in D means it is a district. Okay, district contains villages, right? So VD is set of villages in that district. Okay, I do not written clearly. I'll write it. You are correct. Yeah, nice actually. So better write once. Set of villages. Yeah, sometimes I may not write. You people think about. You people write that set of villages in a district D. District D. Okay, is it clear? Okay, Om, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, good. Okay, now, so now can you take yes, who want to say negation of the statement? There is a district in which every village has a school. Okay, Komal Preet Kaur, room number 8.
So for every district, there
Wait,
is at
very
least
good, very good. But wait. Yeah. So now what you are saying, there is a district, something is true. There is a district, something is true. Now you are saying that given any district, that
given
is
any district have
false,
at
right? No,
least
no.
one village.
Okay, good. Okay, we do not go into that. Go slowly so that it will be
Okay.
clear. The beauty is this. So there exists a D, something is true, right? For that D. This is false means there exists a D, something is false means given any D in D. Sorry, I told wrongly. There exists a D, right? Something is true. So that is this is what written, right? This is not true means that is not true for every district. There is a given any district D, inside thing is wrong, right? This is false. So this is false. Okay. Now, so that means that first we negated this portion. Now we need to negate this portion, right? Yeah. So I need to negate this. Yeah. Okay. So given any D in D, this is not true. So I need to negate this. How do I negate this? What is that I have to do? Yeah. Go ahead, please now.
One can find small v from
One can find. Thank you so much. One can find small
v
v. Okay, good.
from capital VD
Yeah, that is right. Wonderful. So one can find small v in capital VD such that yes,
such that small v doesn't have a school.
small v does not have a school. So this is wrong, right? For that village, this is wrong. That is wrong means v does not have a school. You see that we are going layer by layer. V has a school. What is a negation? V does not have a school, right? This is easy. I can negate this is easily. V has a school. Negation is V does not have a school. Given any, there exist. There is a village. One can find, right? There exist. given any, right? You go layer by layer, it becomes easy. Yeah. So yeah, some questions are there. Okay, let us answer them. Yeah. So is the person raised hand?
Khushbu and
Khushbu.
Jasleen.
Yeah. Yeah, Khushbu, go ahead, please.
So actually I didn't understand the concept that you told every in upper part of that. The set
Okay.
other set every this
Here
is
you are
hiding
saying,
yes. Every village in D has a school in VD.
okay, this part, right? Every village V in VD has a school, right? This part you not understand. Okay. So what is the statement here? So there is a district in which every village has a school. Okay, that is the thing. There is a district. So first we started with there exists a D in D. So every village in D has a school. Okay, that part I hope you are clear, right? Now we are looking inside this part. Every village in D has a school. How do you write this? So what is the set involved? Villages in the district D. That we denote as VD. VD is set of villages in the district D. Okay. Now please concentrate only this portion. Every village in D has a school. Okay. VD is set of villages in D, right? So that is what every village in D has a school. Take any village, small v in capital VD. VD is set of villages. V has a school, right? Only concentrate inside portion. Don't worry about this. Okay. Then it is easy for you. Okay. So V is what? V has a school means V is a village. V kahan se liya tha? VD se. What is VD? Set of villages in district D. Okay. Where D come from? Districts. Okay. Yeah. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Jasleen also raised her hand. Yes, Jasleen.
Jasleen,
Sir?
please go ahead.
Sir, is it compulsory that for negation both the quantifier and the property will have to change?
Okay. Okay. Good question. Good question, Jasleen. So I will ask you yourself now. So I am giving you this. X belongs to some set S. X has property P. X has a property P. Okay. So given any X in S, X has a property P. So what is the negation of this statement? When it is become false?
There might be any X belongs to X
How do
which
you write
doesn't
that?
have
What is the negation of S? Yeah. Tell me negation of
one
S.
can find X.
One can find X. Okay.
X belongs
One
to
can find
S.
S such that
X has not X
X does
doesn't
not
has
have
a
does not
property
have
P.
property P. Yes. Right. Yeah. Hope it is clear to you now. So it is true for every X, not true meaning there exists. So what is the negation? If this is true, then this is become false, right? This is true when this is true. For every element X in X, that is true. Every given any element X in S that has the property P. This is not true means there exists an X. X does not have property P. Okay. This is false meaning this is true, right? Yeah. What about this? My statement is this. One can find an X in S such that X has a property P. What is the negation of this? Before going to before going to that, ask when this become true. This is when this is true. I told that there is an X in X. X has a property P. When this is true?
If any X will not will have
So how many X I have to check whether it is a true or not?
every X.
Every X I have to check. That's why I'm asked you to think about when it is true, right? There exists an X. X has a property P. When it become true? When it become true? This is the question to you.
If only one particular X, any
For
X
example,
is.
yeah. So I asked that there is a student in this class who is from Delhi, right? There is a student in this class who is from Delhi, right? So if I able to find one person is from Delhi, I'm done, right? I'll ask one person who is really from Delhi, right? Okay. If that is, I'll ask one person is not from Delhi, I'll ask other person. If I found one person is from Delhi, I'm done. I'm not ask other people, right? Whenever I found one person, I'm happy. this is true, at least one person is there, right? More are there or not, I will not care. Okay. Yeah. Okay. When this is false, this is false means its negation is true. This is false meaning what? This is
Every
false. Given any
given
x in
any
S,
x belongs to S, X
uh,
has no doesn't has
X
a
does not
property
have
P.
property P, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you. Is it clear to you what I'm said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. So right. So now you understood the so this negation also here, right? This is negation of my earlier statement, right? Negation. Okay. Now we'll go to the next thing, right? Okay. So you can think of this, right? So look at here. First, I wrote that this village has a school, right? This village has a school. Okay. Next, I extended it. Every village in India has a school. Now there is a district in which every village has a school, right? Somebody can increase this with one more quantifier. Just asking. Is anyone can try? Make an attempt. Let us see. Don't worry about if it not get it is this question not trivial. That not trivial. Yeah. Harit Panwar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, for in for the district of every state.
Every state. Yeah. Okay. You are saying that I'll start with every state. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Every state, in every state. Yeah. So tell me, just we'll work it out. In every state. In every state. Continue. In every state, there is a district.
There is a district.
Uh-huh.
And in every district,
In
which every village have a school.
Yeah, good. Every village has a school.
Yes.
Okay. So don't worry about if you do not know how to write all that. Okay. Do not intimidate. Okay. Don't worry about. Okay. So now you can see that. There are many quantifiers, many sets. Okay. I am just giving you today first one example, right? So you can work it out and look at its negation when it is false and all. So I am telling a priori. Okay. But if you do not get, don't worry at all. Okay. Take it light. Okay, we will discuss more problems as time progress. Okay, now. So every state, right? Now I had to take set as a set of states, right? Now I had to take one particular. So given any small s in S, now I had to go to districts, right? Okay. Now districts in that state, yes, right? So I had to define some SD like that, and so you will understand slowly. Okay. So I will come back to this if time permits. Okay, today itself. Otherwise, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, na? Good. So now I'll ask a small game we'll play like yesterday, right? So I'll start with room number 2. Room number 2. So what is that room number 2 people has to do is that room number 2 people give me one real number. Okay, what is a real number? Let me explain. So real line means we have a real line. Here we have 0, right? 1. So all the numbers between 0 and 1 also real numbers, right? You know that part. Okay. Yeah. So even so can someone one of you give one real number other than natural numbers, integers?
Yeah,
Can you give me
Nidhi.
one? Can you so no. Wait. Now it is a general question to everyone. Can you give me one real number other than integer? Not integer, not rational. Okay. Not integer. Sorry. Not integer. Yeah, Nidhi.
So 1.5.
1.5. Good. Okay. Jasmine Kaur.
6.3.
6.3. Good. Harit Panwar.
22/7.
22/7. Okay. You are all telling rationals only. Somebody I'm thinking. Some Muskan.
Sir, 4.2.
4.2. Okay, nice. Kunal?
The pi.
Pi, very good. Pi, right? I am looking this this one. Pi. So like there are some other numbers also, right? You know that. Okay. Try to be experiment. Okay, just do not ask. Even no one told negative numbers. Okay. Negative numbers also one can tell. Zero is also, right? Okay. Zero you're not told. I understand that I'm not asked that not integer. So wonderful, good, great. So when I'm clearing, what is the game now? R2 people has to tell one real number. Okay. R3 people has to give one natural number greater than that. Is it a question clear? R2 people will room number 2. R1 nothing. R1 nothing today. R2 people will give one real number. R3 people will tell one natural number greater than that. R4 people will give one real number. R5 people will give natural number greater than that. Okay, like that it goes. R6 people give one real number. Okay, so we'll start. Okay, R2. So those who are ready R2 tick yes. Only R2 people now. Tick yes fast. Your goal is to just give one real number only. Nothing more than that. Any real number. No restrictions. Why 3 only? You do not know real numbers also? आपके बहुत choice है. किसी भी एक real number बताना है. Yeah. So mentor from R2, can you call one person?
Kamini.
Sir, 7.
7. Okay. Now R3 people, can you tick yes? Now we are clearing. R3 people, R3. Tick yes. If you want, what is at your goal now, R3 students? You have to tell a natural number greater than this. Yeah, someone can R3. Mentor, can you ask someone?
Nitin?
Sir, 8.
8. Yeah, why 4 people only ticked yes? I do not understand. You need to tell a natural number greater than 7, right? Yeah, 8, right? Yeah. Okay, but please do not ask 7 these things, right? Where they're very easy to. Okay. Yeah, but it's okay. Right now, fine. Now, room number 4. Okay, so no need to tick. No need to tick. We'll go like that. Okay. So now we ask randomly, right? So room number 4, mentor, can you ask one person? Go fast.
Avni. Shivali. Under root 2.
Under root 2. Okay. Now room number 5. Tell me one natural number greater than this fast.
Yashika. 3.
Yes, please.
Sir, 3.
3. Okay. Yeah. Room number 6.
Kaushal.
One real number.
The root 5.
Root 5. Yeah. Room number 7.
Hifza.
10.
Okay. Room number 8.
Mandeep. Under root 4.
But you are all telling same. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Under root 4 is 2, right? Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. What is the room 9?
Kunal?
10.
Okay. See, you understand now, right? So if one real number is given, you are finding natural number greater than that. So how do you tell? This is an experiment we done. So how do you write as a statement now? Somebody can comment. What is that we started with? Okay, please understand carefully. Okay, now I'm clearing all of you. Understand carefully. We are choosing a real number. There is no restriction on the real number, right? But natural number depend upon the real number, right? Think about carefully. So how do you write in a mathematical language? So how do you make it as a statement in English only? Don't worry. Yeah. Now can you tick yes? Somebody want to comment? This is experiment we done. So we understand something. So whether it is true or not, we'll check, right? We'll prove it later. Yeah. Right. But how to prove? Yeah. Yeah. Surgun, you try. Room number 9.
Every
For every real number x, there exists a natural number greater than it. Or we can also say that natural number does not have an upper bound.
No, don't worry. Do not tell that much. Okay. Yeah, here only. You concentrate here only. Yeah. So Virendra, what is that you want to say? Rule number 9 only. You also want to say same thing? Oh, sorry, there's a problem. Recording, so just give me 1 minute.
So,
Recording in progress.
so you can, or here my, yeah. So we were asking whom, Sargun, what is the statement here? Oh, sorry, we asked Sargun, Virendra. Okay, Virendra, do you want to say anything about this statement? We started with a real number and looked for a natural number bigger than that. That's the game that we were playing. So what is that we were doing?
Every natural number is greater than real number.
Is that what you want to say? Okay, so let's listen from someone else. Okay, I'll look at some of R1. R1 did not play in this one game, so let them make some observation. Aditya, R1, Aditya Panwar. Can you make some observation? What were we doing?
The set of natural numbers is a set of real subset of real numbers.
Okay, let's listen. So let us repeat. One group was giving one real number. The other group was giving another real number which was bigger than this one. Okay, that's the game that we were playing. Okay, so Baljinder.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you want to make some observation? What we were doing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
For every real number, there exists a natural number which is bigger than a real number.
Exactly. So this is precisely what we were doing, right? We were taking a real number. For that real number, we were finding one natural number bigger than this. And of course, we played only in 4 groups, but you can see that, or that this can be done.
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Yeah. Okay. You can continue, Satya. So Baljinder has given the correct statement now. Maybe you can just repeat and continue.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. So am I audible clearly?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So thing is that, so what is that you told, Balin? Can you repeat? Every real number? For every real number, yeah.
Baljinder, you can repeat.
For every real number, there exists a natural number which is greater than that real number.
There exists a natural number greater than that. Greater than x. Okay. For every real number x, there exists a natural number n. Says that, okay, I'll write like this, n is greater than x. I'm sorry, not written properly. Yeah. So somebody can tell me, you understand that for every real number x, there is a natural number n, so that n is greater than x, right? Yeah. So now somebody can tell me that what is the first set I will start with? Somebody can point. What is the first set I start with? I want to write its mathematical version, right? Yeah. Okay. So Jitin, you are not ticked. What happened? Okay. Shivani, can you tell us?
The set of real number.
Okay, I'll take set as real numbers. Okay. What is the quantifier?
They registered.
So you are taking real number, right? Which real number you
Yes,
are
sir.
taking? You look at the
For all.
statement for all. Okay. What is the property? So this entire thing is a property. There exists a natural number and says that n is greater than x, right? Okay. So let me write that. So given any x real number, so we are right here. There is a natural number. There is a natural number n such that what condition? N is greater than x. Okay. Yeah. N is greater than x. Okay. So given any real number, there is a natural number n such that n is greater than x. Okay. Now inside here, how do I write? What is the set involved? Okay. So I'm clearing all of you. So can you tell me how do I write my inside set? So this is done given any real number. So I took one real number now. So given any real number means I took x. Now x is inside. Okay. Now what is the inside I have to write? Now look at concentrate. Inside abhi kya hai hamare paas? There is a natural number and says that n is greater than x, right? So this I need to write in terms of set and quantifiers, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So someone from room number 2.
So set of natural numbers.
No, you are not asking. You told so set of natural numbers. Okay. What is the quantifier?
For all n.
For all n? Okay. Yeah. You can mute, please. You can mute. Om Raj. Om. Yeah. So tell us.
Given any n belongs to n,
Given any n, you can see there is a natural number n says that n greater than x is there, right? Look at only concentrate inside. Okay. There is a natural number n greater than x, right? That is given here. Okay. Okay. Nandini Gupta. Nandini.
So there will exist an n in capital N.
Yeah, there exists small n belongs to capital N, such that
N is greater than x.
n is greater than. Okay, two brackets, right? Yeah. Is it all of you understand this? Okay. So given any given any real number, look at how do you read it. Now, if somebody else comes, they do not understand what we are saying. See, any non-mathematician also may understand little bit. Every real number x, there is a natural number n greater than x. Thoda sa, right? But now once you write into symbols, it is difficult, right? But you can understand now. How do you write in English? How do you read this in English? Given any real number, there is a natural number such that that natural number is greater than x, right? Yeah. Are you clear? Are you understand this? Okay. Yeah. So some question is there. Yeah. So please, Sudhanshu, go ahead.
Sir, can we, is it that we need to write the for all first and then followed up by their exist?
Okay, good. So, okay, whatever you asked, I'll try to look at that. So, can you say this? Is it the same as that one? Okay, I'll write this, whatever you say. What is is it both are having the same meaning or not? Okay, let us see that. Thanks for asking, Sudhanshu. Wonderful question you asked. So, this is the thing, beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So, so is it how many of you agree that these two statements convey the same meaning or different meaning? Okay, one statement is that there is a, for given any real number, there is a natural number n greater than x. That we done. Okay. So there exists a natural number. So given any real number n greater than x. ये दोनों same convey कर रहे हैं, different कर रहे हैं. If it is same, tick yes. If it is no, tick no. We'll discuss, right? Don't worry. Whatever you feel, you can tell. Yeah. So one of these, right?
We need more responses.
Yeah, responses are not good. Yeah. At least I need 50 together. because sometimes you are little worried to answer. That's okay. Because here no also answer, right? Okay, that's what.
See, these two can either give same meaning or it can give different meaning. We are
Yeah,
just
what?
asking you your opinion, whether it
Okay.
gives the same meaning or different meaning.
Yeah. So we'll discuss if it is that, right? Yeah. So room number 8, mentor, can you call one person? Who's tick no? Who's tick no? Okay, I will ask. Harshita?
Yes,
Harshita
sir.
Kaushik.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can also find the real number which is greater than any natural number.
No, ये दोनों same. You told that they are not convey same meaning, right?
Yes, sir.
आप क्यों बता रहे हैं ऐसा? So ये अलग क्यों है? ये दोनों
Sir,
different meaning. हाँ.
that for all real numbers, there
हाँ.
is a natural number which is greater than every real number.
ओके. सो सेकंड वन आपके आप सेकंड के बात में सेकंड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना आप?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ना, आप सेकंड सेंटेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
Sir, second.
सेकंड, या सेकंड में आप क्या बता रहे हैं?
Sir, there is a natural number which is greater than all real numbers.
See the beauty. Good, very nice. Yeah. So, sorry, your name, please? Harshita, right? Harshita, good. See, I understand Harshita is pointed out nicely. There is a single natural number that is greater than every real number. That is what it is conveying. Look at the first one, what it is conveyed. You done that experiment, right? Real number, that natural number depend upon the real number, right? So none of you told actually negative real numbers, -3 if I take, right? In that case, 1 also will work. Okay, yeah. So here what happens, n changes as x changes, right? My n is depend upon x. But whereas in the second sentence, one natural number is working for all real numbers. Okay, so they are different meanings. Okay, yeah. So they are not giving the same meaning. Are you clear about? So I'm clearing. So again, think about, take some few seconds time and ask me. Again, you may have doubts. Don't worry about that. We'll discuss more about that. Yeah. Jasleen Kaur. Yeah.
Sir, can we also there just that second statement is completely wrong because it is making the set of real numbers as
No,
bounded set.
yeah, that's okay. That's okay. You are correct. So it may be wrong. That's okay. But there are different statements, right? It's a false statement, but it's a statement, right? Because we done experiment in that. So you already know something, right? That's why you are telling that first statement is true. Then automatically this may. So if they are different or not, our objective is that are they different or not? Yes, they are different, right? Yeah. What is they conveying? It is not that true value you are not looking. What they are conveying, we are looking. If you interchange the quantifiers, meaning changes. Okay, yeah, that is what we are looking, right? Okay, so yes. Now, Sudhanshu, is it okay now? Clear to you? You are the person asked this question. Sudhanshu. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sorry, sir.
So are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so then I'll ask one question to you so that we'll see. So every student in this class, every student in this class is recommended by a teacher. Recommended by a teacher. Okay, because you all came by a recommendation, right? You understand? Every student in this class is recommended by a teacher, right? Yeah. Sudhanshu, can you tell me by using quantifiers, what are the sets and all? What is the mathematical version?
So given any
Given any
small s belonging to G3, the set.
Yeah, wonderful. Okay, you are more accurate than me. Okay, given any student in G3, yes. Now there are teachers, right? Teachers, we can faculty, we can put T or F. Okay, yeah, you can choose one.
So recommended by.
So what is that I have to
There
put?
is
There exist.
one can find a teacher or T.
T belongs to capital T.
Yeah.
T is
The
recommended by.
property is recommended.
Yeah,
S
S
is
is
recommended by T.
by T. Yeah, okay. Now you tell me that if I interchange quantifiers, what happens? So there exists a T in capital T, given any S in SG3. What is it is conveying? Can you tell me? Can you help us?
Yes, sir. It says that there is a teacher who recommended all of us, like all the students in this.
Right. Yeah, good. Thank you. So here this is saying that there is a single teacher who recommended everyone. Okay. Right. Yeah. So see, try to understand that the time is up or what? Which time?
3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. See, you studied these. Okay. Just I'm telling you. So, do you come across this? You come across this? There exists a theta belongs to R. That given any real number, okay. So x plus theta is equal to x. Do you come across this? Any one of you? You come across this? Can you come across this? Can you tick yes? There exists a theta. Given any real number, there is a real number, a special real number. So you take any real number, if you add it to that, I'll get x back. You come across this, what is this conveying? Whatever you feel, you can tell. Okay. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, this is a little tougher. Don't worry, you do not get, don't intimidate. Okay. So just I'm checking that you come across this earlier. It is recalling, right? This type of thing are you come across. Why I'm asking this is that, see, you are going to use these quantifiers several times. And one more thing in MTTS only, we'll write the quantifiers beforehand. In many places, you see that for all, they will write afterwards. Why? It is because if you write like that, you cannot negate properly. This is a good way to write. Okay. So Jayesh Gupta, room number 7. Can you unmute and say something, Jayesh?
Yes, sir, the value of theta, it's just 0.
0. So what is
It's
this
the
property?
additive identity of
Additive
R.
identity. Very good. Yeah. So it is saying that there is a 0. There is a single real number 0. If you add that to anybody, I'll get the x back. Right? So that single 0 working for everybody. Okay. What about this? What about this? Now I'm clearing all of you. Okay. So did you come across this? What is this? If you know, can you tick yes? If you know this, don't worry. If you do not know, tick no. Okay. Here you can tick no also, right? Wonderfully. If you know, tick yes. If you do not know, tick no. I will not ask if you tick no, right? Because you do not know, that's good. Okay. And I will not ask, okay? You are now free to tick no. Those who tick yes, I will ask one of them.
And then you may wind up.
Yeah, wind up, yes. Okay, Nancy. Nancy. Okay, you are not told. Okay, Kushbu.
Yes, sir. Their x belongs to real number. X may be -1 or +1, and y also may be -1 or +1. If x is -1, then y must be +1. That's why it will give 0.
What is this property? So if, for example, my x is 3, what is y? My x is 3. What is
Then
y?
y is -3.
Very good. X is, say, -50. What is y?
Then y is +50.
plus 50. So given any real number, there is a real number y. Minus 50, it is 50, right? 100, it is minus 100, right? Given any real number, there is a real number. If I add, I'll get 0. So what is this property? Do you know? Minus 50 का 50 क्या होता है?
Additive inverse.
Additive inverse, wonderful. This is additive inverse. See, what is the difference between these two? Single theta working for everybody. Here, x changes, y changes. Okay. So try to understand the difference. There exists theta come that works for everybody. Okay. So please discuss this also. I'm going to now stop. But so here I written some few things. I'll just inform you and I'll stop. Okay. So proof problems for discussion. So there is a desk in which every student has a mobile. Okay. That statement you have to write by quantifiers, negate and all that. We can discuss if time permits. It is only at the end only. Okay. Y x greater than or equal to 0. Compound statement means it is not one statement, two or more statements. Don't worry about if you does not permit, do not discuss that. Okay. So every student in this class has a mentor. Okay. So try to write by using quantifiers. Okay. And negate it. And these the last problems are for homework. Okay. And also homework problems, try it. If you do not find time, don't worry at all. Okay. So just one or two questions only we are telling. Okay. What is the questions? Homework problem, not for discussion today. In every tree in the garden, one can find a branch on which all the leaves are green. Okay. How many sets, how many quantifiers, how do write, how do negate. Okay. It may help you to understand. Every human being follows a religion. Okay. So 2 sets and 2 quantifier, how do you write? And the next one is that in the following statements, convey the same meaning. Every human being takes tea or coffee is one, and I divided into R between R pay. Every human being takes tea or every human being takes coffee. Is the two are same or okay? Yeah, I will stop here. Thank you.